Guys, I have a studio now. Okay, it's not an actual studio, it's my garage, but it's a new place to shoot, and I just love the vibes. And I'm really excited because this means I can have like an actual set. Like guys, what if all my videos were just shot down here instead of up in my room? I want to give you guys a tour of this place, even though it isn't like super final or finished yet. But first we got to talk about how difficult it was to make this space happen. One day my friend Angel and I wanted to get some photos for social media, and I had an unused roll of Seamless. So I told him we could set it up in the garage or something and just see how it goes. We actually got some really cool photos. I love that setting so much, I just wanted to keep it up forever. So I told my parents my plan. I want to put maybe a photo studio out in the garage in the spare spot.
How do you propose to do this?
First step would be to clean up, I guess, like that sprawl of all the boxes on the side closer to the house. If you divide that spot in two, that half where Dad's kind of workbench or workout bench isn't, is just filled with boxes. I want to clean that up, but I imagine there's still going to be plenty of space on that side once we get all of those boxes up and out of the way to have that space. I have successfully cleared plenty of space in the garage. Okay, ignore that part of it. Ignore that side.
Trash can in the middle.
Yep, that was so I could throw junk out.
Why is this so empty?
So that we can move that over here. I tried to keep it mostly organized so you can get the stuff you need, like whatever's in here.
It looks very nice.
Thank you. Okay, here we are. This is me moving everything over now. This part is gonna be a photo studio. This part is gonna be a gym and storage area. Music first.
Now you didn't know me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. About your magics and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
Hi, Dad. Do you like the garage?
Interesting.
Here you go.
For sure. Are you recording right now?
Yeah, I'd like you to see something.
Nice.
This is gonna be a photo studio because I really liked that temporary setup we did. So I asked my parents if I could just kind of move everything. So I did. It still needs cleaning, but generally we're good now. We got plenty of room. Yeah, we got that Seamless thing that I did last time. That's gonna be permanent now. And boom, you got a whole studio.
Nice.
And here we are. Now it's like an actual studio. It's not finished by any means, and definitely not the best quality equipment in here and stuff like that. This backdrop right here is hanging from the garage door railing. Definitely a work in progress, but I still want to show you guys around. Let's get into it. First thing we gotta talk about is this backdrop. I got this backdrop last year at a conference called WPPI. I got a little slip that said I won it for free, and it's like I could go on the website, pick out whatever color I wanted. So I picked sky blue because it's just my favorite color. As you can see, that is a garage railing. There is no stand here because this is built in. It just kind of works, you know? I want to buy like an actual stand, so it just fits up there, you know? So why mess with it? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I definitely didn't like set it up properly. This should be more curved, actually. Oh, there's stuff behind it. Oh, okay, there we go. That's better. Over here, we got the power for this whole thing. It's not much right now. Like I said, it's very early stages right now, but we got one power cable that runs over there. That's currently powering the light, but I do have a power strip that is normally plugged into that will power stuff charging on the table as well. We got the tripod set up. This is kind of how I was shooting the intro portion of this video. We got this ring light. It's like 80 bucks and totally worth it. We have a car. It is still a garage, of course. We have a dog. Hi, Monty. And it's not like I could take over the whole garage, right? So we got about half of this car space is storage. I need to clean this place up. We got some scrap wood, gardening tools, clay pigeons. Electronics, my wagon. I used to keep this up in my room, but half the time I need it, it's down here. So might as well keep it down here. I also have the windows in the garage door to help get some natural light in here. And that's pretty much the whole studio. It's not much, but it's a start, right? I kind of wanted to make this space so that I could escape the stress in my room. I know I've said it before that in order to reduce stress, you should get out of your work environments. So that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of getting out of my office because I do everything in my office. I edit, I shoot, and just because I was always cooped up in there, I started going for walks and exercising more just to get out, you know? So I'm hoping that by kind of bringing some of my work down here, I'm kind of taking that same amount of stress, but just distributing it over 2 different spaces so that neither space feels too stressful. And then also, this garage is kind of like my shooting place, and upstairs it's gonna be more of my editing place. I'm not saying I'll never have my room in a video again. Of course, I'm still gonna film a lot of stuff up there, but it's just, this is another set, another place for me to make videos, you know? Then upstairs, I'll have some more floor space. That'll be awesome. And yeah, it's just kind of a nice change in pace, you know? I think I definitely want to get some more seamless backdrops. Actually, that conference that I went to get this one, I'm about to head to that right now. So maybe I'll pick up another roll of seamless. Maybe like a red or an orange. That'd be cool. I know it's not the prettiest space, but it's mine. And I love it. I made it myself. And it's just the vibes. I love the vibes here, man. And I also brought down a Bluetooth speaker so we could really have whatever vibes I want. I just want kind of a creative space. Because what's also nice about this is like if someone wants to come over and work with me, I can have meetings down here. I can just open up my garage door, say, come on in. I'm gonna have to like go through my whole house to get to my room. You just sit down here and it's nice, it's calm, it's peaceful, the vibes. And yeah, that's the space. Welcome to the studio. So I'm not actually sure what I'm actually gonna call this place. I've thought about the studio, the annex, I don't know, you know what, leave some ideas down in the comments. This place is a work in progress. I'm a work in progress. My channel is a work in progress. Everything's a work in progress. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. Oh, and actually, I want you to meet someone. Oh, hello. Okay, I'm here with my 2 dogs. I want you to meet Monty. Well, you know Monty, but this is the new guy, Louie. He's a 5-month-old golden doodle if you're interested. He's very sweet. His name is Louie. Hi, Monty. And yeah, super excited to have a new dog in the family. I posted a photo of him on Instagram. If you want to go check that out, go ahead. Okay, now I'll leave. Thanks for watching. Bye.